Hello, Wetro here. Today we're going to be playing a game called Midnight Snack. It is an indie horror game found on Steam. It just released 2 days ago, or today actually. We're going to give it a shot. We don't know a whole lot about it. I know that we use a microwave to travel. We'll see what's going on. So come join me and let's see what we get into. Okay. Okay. Food's done. Oh, what'd I miss? I miss everything. Overloading. Bam. Hey. Okay. Oh. Let's go ahead and. This is interesting. Alright. There's nothing in this room. Can't open that. Just the bookshelves. We're literally using a microwave to travel. Alright. This is something else. How do we run away from things? Okay. Hey, not bad. We're doing good. We're doing good. So good. Alright. And I think we made it outside. It literally is sitting there turning dials on a microwave. Ooh. Interesting concept. Different. Okay, don't like this. Let's see what that is on the ground. It's like a Valentine's thing. Chocolate. I can't even look down. Alright, well, we can't even look down to know what it is. Alright. So that. Okay. A bunch of knives on the ground? Alright. Alright. Doing good. This can get annoying after a while. Phone. But the phones are on this one. Okay, which way? This way? Behind us, nothing? Okay. Oh, that can't be good. Butterfly. What's behind? Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go a little bit this way. Let's go around the tree stump. And hey, okay. Stop. We're gonna make it to the door. All right, ready? And break. Okay. Definitely nothing's following us, right? Let's skip around a little bit. Let's go right here. Knocked off the timer. That was an achievement. Alright. Let's get all the way to the door. Blood on the wall. Hey, let's fall into the hole. It's okay. It's alright. We're good. We're fine. The pork and meat. And meat. Spin around, spin around. Why would there be... Okay, guess that's nothing. Alright. Yeah, I just like waiting for the microwave to finish too, but this is falling a little too much. Really no other way to go. Alright, let's see what's over there. There we go. So we're safe. Still good. Nothing going on. I can't move. Can't move. Where is it? Oh, hey! Where am I supposed to go? I'm moving. Don't move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just go. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna run in the tree. Oh, that was bad. That was so bad. Okay. Alright. Do we have to go through that all again? Wow. Okay, we'll try this again. Alright, this is a little harder than I thought it would be. Try this again. I like the concept, but you're stuck on a freaking microwave. Things have to go a little bit at a time, right? We can go pretty long. As long as there's not a monster behind us. Yeah, we can go over long periods of time. We don't have a lot on it. Okay. It's fine. This is not too bad. Alright. And you get all the way over there. This will do it. Go here. The game is pretty annoying. Right into the tree stuff and jump. Okay. We'll go that way. Alright, you need to aim for the door. Where's the door? Y'all see the door? What's the... Oh, right over there. We'll get in there. All the way down at the end. Okay. We're coming up on him now. We just gotta get past him, we'll be alright. I don't know where to go. Run. Faster. Back on our tail. Get on our tail. Okay, going. So easy. We're stuck. No, we're really stuck. Yeah. There's a door. Oh, I can hear him getting closer. This is hard. We're right there. Still right there. We're there. Okay, you get a snack? Alright. What? Okay, that wasn't bad. Yay! Did it! I kind of like the premise of this one. It's interesting. You're using a timer to move forward, and you're using directional keys with the other knob. It's a little intense once the monster's behind you. I don't know how fast he is. I could see this being a pretty interesting way to play. I would like to be able to use the keyboard to press the timer and such like that, but I get it. They want you to interact, and it's like a story by play. So, that's not bad. Well, how long did that take just to get through? About 16 minutes? Okay. All right. Well, yeah, that was it. Wow. Okay. It's not bad. It was pretty fun. I'm gonna be doing some more indie games. If you check out my channel, you can see that there's some others there already. And this one, I just saw this one today, and I just like the how kind of it's different. It's different kind of gameplay. I want to see how they implement it more as they expand. But if you like the content, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's an indie game you want me to play and check out. And check out some of my other videos. Well, for now, that was it. That was two goes. The second try, we got it. That was pretty good. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.